Let me ask you something real quick. Are you building your business alone, guessing your way through everything and hoping it works out? A lot of entrepreneurs don't fail because they are not smart. They struggle because they are building in isolation. No structure, no support, no clear direction. Here is the truth. Entrepreneurship is better when you are equipped, supported, and not building alone. That's not motivation talk. That's experience. And that experience is what shaped the innovation behind the Summit Core Experiential Entrepreneurial Training Program and the Summit VB community. Not just theory, not just talk, but real learning, real building, and real growth together. You don't just watch, you participate. You get tools, guidance, accountability, and a community that actually wants you to win. We believe strong businesses are built by developed people, and growth lasts longer when you don't walk the journey alone. So if you are ready to stop guessing and start building with clarity, come learn, build, and grow in our next Summit Core Experiential Entrepreneurial Training Program, starting on 10th of February 2026. Click the attached link to join the journey, and let's build something meaningful together. I'm Muyiwa Musefio, Business Operations and Technology Strategy Lead at Summit VB. Bye.